How to build a website with AI in Godaddy. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a website with AI in Godaddy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Godaddy, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Godaddy, it is a publicly traded American company that provides domain registration, web hosting, and a wide range of internet-related services, in which Godaddy has grown to become one of the largest and most recognizable web hosting and domain registrar companies, managing millions of domains globally, in which the company also caters primarily to small businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals looking to establish a web presence, offering tools for website building, online marketing, email hosting, and security solutions such as SSL certificates. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description here. Then you will be directed in this Godaddy platform. And to start creating a website, just click your profile icon on the top right corner in here. And after that, just click My Products in here. Upon clicking the My Products option, you should be able to be directed on the page in here where it will show you all of your website that has been created. In which, as you can see in here, I already have here for website, and to create a new one, just click set up a free website button on the top right corner. By clicking on it, you should be able to be directed in here, and it will show you that the first thing that you need to do is to select here what some features of your website needs. Let's say we're going to sell an online store, and just click the continue button. And after that, you can choose here what kind of business do you have. You can choose here either this hair and spa, stylish, but I'm going to choose, for example, photography. And after that, just click the continue button, and it will show you that you also need to enter the name of your business, in which this will be the name of your project, but you can also update it depending on your preferences. For example, I am going to enter the name of my business, which is Enjoy the Moment Photography, and click the continue button. And from here, you can also check these boxes or turn on this one to enable or enter here your addresses of your business if you have a physical location. Then enter the phone number in here. And after that, this is basically the part where you can use AI to start creating your own website. From here, you can tell your description or info and use AI to create a description for your website, and then you can make any edits you'd like. So for example, my business is photography. I'm going to enter here, we are a photography businesses that offer a photography services. And after entering here this little detail, you can simply click the continue button below to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you should be able to see here that your website is now being processed to be created using AI, and also using the details that you just entered earlier. So this is basically what our website looks like. It will show you on the left side panel the website itself, while on the right side panel we have here some of the editing tools such as the website, theme, store, and many more. But you should see here on this pop-up window that you could also choose the plan that they offer with the corresponding prices and benefits. But I'm going to choose continue for free. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select here what section would you like on your website. You can simply check here or uncheck if you don't want this in your website. We have here featured products, photo gallery, reviews, contact us, and many more. Now after that, you could also be directed on this page once again and start customizing, for example, some other elements in here. For example, to start customizing the color or the background, you can click this one or this icon on the top of it. By clicking this layout, it will show you a variety of layout that you can choose from. And let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this one. By clicking on it, you should be able to see the changes. You could also change the color by simply clicking this color palette right here. Then you should be able to see that you can change the background of it. And you could also navigate below some other options. With your site navigation, foreground, image, and many more. You could also change the name of our website in here that has been added. And even change the size of this by simply adjusting in here. You can make it bigger or even smaller depending on our preferences, or by simply adjusting it directly in here. Now aside from that, if you scroll down, you could also change the images. For example, this one, by clicking this cover media, you can start changing it by clicking the change image button. Or you could also set up what kind of layout for the image in here. You can upload from your computer files or simply choose here the available media platforms, or even a picture they offer for free. Let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this one. By clicking this one or checking this, just click insert button to proceed. And by doing so, you should be able to see here that the images is now being processed to be changed or replaced by this. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And you could also do the same thing below here, these images, by clicking on it and click change image on the right side panel. In which by doing so, you can simply choose from the computer files or even from this stock images that is offered for free. Let's say this one, and click this insert button. So after that, you should be able to see here that your images is now being replaced by you selected. You could also change the text by clicking on it on the right side panel with here the description and the headline that you prefer. And below, you can even add a products by clicking this add products button and simply filling out the required information to it. Now moving on below here, if you scroll down, you could also change our gallery that shows all of our photography portfolio by doing the same thing earlier of changing the image. Now below, you could also integrate or connect this to our Facebook account. Well, for this contact us section, you could also navigate on the right side panel by clicking on it. Some other details including the required field that need to fill out with a customer, including their name, email, and messages. Now aside from that, for example, you could add a section by clicking this one. It will show you here a variety of sections to add, such as audio and video, blog and newsletter, commerce, contact, files and web, general, image, gallery, and many more. For example, by clicking this one, it will show you in the right side panel the contact us and other info or details. And if you also want to change your schedule by clicking this one, the hours schedule, it will show you that you can change on Monday the schedule. Instead of 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., you could also close it or set up your close hours. You can even choose by appointment and many more. So basically, you can choose here a variety of options to navigate. Well, by clicking the three lines on the top left corner, you should be able to see here this is store that you can navigate to enter your payment option or payment method that you prefer. By clicking the settings under the store section, you'll be able to be directed on the page, but make sure to also publish your website first in order to do so. And after that, from here, under settings, you can click here the business info or simply fill out all of these details. But by clicking the payment section, from here, you should be able to see that you can link some of your payment option that you prefer with here the people that you can connect. As you can see, it is now being connected. You could also enable the offline payments if you prefer. And now going back to our dashboard after simply publishing the website that we create using AI, this is basically what it looks like. And under dashboard, you can track here your performance of your website, including the number of visitors and many more. And you could also set up some other things in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can build a website with AI in Godaddy. Thank you.